guys, welcome to STEAM Thursday. Today we're going to be creating our own optical illusions. Now there's a bunch of different ways you can make your own optical illusion, but today we're going to make something called a thaumatrope. The word thaumatrope comes from ancient Greek and it roughly translates into wonder turner. And that's because this style of optical illusion is a disc with an image on both sides, and when the disc spins really quickly, the two images appear to be one. Now this works because of something called persistence of vision, and basically all that means is it's tricking your eye into thinking the two images are actually just one image. The thaumatropes were actually a popular toy back in the 1800s, and this was actually a design that was popular back then, so this is what I'm going to use today, but you can look up different designs to print out, or you can even draw and design your own. So we're actually going to show you how to make two different types of thaumatropes today, so let's get started. So first I'm going to show you how to make a string thaumatrope. The first thing you want to do is choose a design to print out or think of something that you want to design yourself. Now I printed out this design on regular computer paper, which is not too sturdy, so if you can use something like cardstock, that will work a little better. Because I have it on computer paper, I'm going to attach it to some cardboard to make it a little sturdier, and this is just a piece of cardboard from an old cereal box that I'm using. So first I attach one of the images to the cardboard and then trim around it. Next I'm going to attach the second image to the back, and when you do this you want to make sure that you're flipping the thaumatrope vertically so it looks like one of your images is upside down. Next you're just going to poke two holes in the side of the thaumatrope and attach some string or rubber bands. If you're making a stick thaumatrope, it's actually pretty similar. You're going to start with your design or your cardstock that you're going to draw on. You'll draw the image or attach it to one side. Next, you're going to attach something like a bamboo skewer or a stick. You could even use a pencil at this point and attach it to the back of your design. This time, when you're attaching your second design onto the back, you want to make sure that you're flipping the thaumatrope horizontally. And then just attach or draw your second image onto the back. Alright, so I've got both versions of my finished thaumatropes here, and we're going to try them out. So with the string one, the first thing I'll do is just wrap my fingers around the string, and then I'll twirl it to get the string sort of wound up, and when you pull, you should be able to see your optical illusion. It should look like the bird is in the cage. And with the stick one, just hold it between your hands and spin, and you should see the same thing. All right, so let us know if you guys make this. We'd love to see what designs you use or created. You can always share pictures or videos with us in the comments below. We would love to hear from you. Bye.